Hello again folks, a bit of a different video today. I'm going to be fixing this BMW X4. It's got really creaky suspension. Don't know if you can hear that. So I think I know what the problem is, so what I'll do is I'll get the car jacked up, the wheel off, and we'll see if we can go about fixing it. Right, that's the rear wheel off. I'm now going to take you behind the disc and caliper and show you where this squeak is probably coming from. Now, there's our shock absorber there, and at the bottom of there is a bracket and a bushing, sorry, so down here. But if we just come towards the disc, and it's very difficult to get an angle on this, you will see here, if I just move this, there is a rubber boot which covers another joint. Now what happens is water and dust get in here and cause corrosion, and it basically causes your suspension to creak. And what we're going to do today is, and I'm using this at a awl here, is I'm just going to make a small hole in that. Now there is one on either side, so there's one on this side as well, so you need to get both of them. So I've made a small hole there, and if you bear with me. Right, that was extremely fiddly, but what I've done is I've just pierced this small hole using the awl, and I've got a can of Worth 2040 Ultra penetrating fluid with PTFE, and that's just, I've put the straw in the boot, and all we're going to do is fill that boot up with the penetrating oil. So give it a good few sprays until you see it starting to come out. And then all we'll do is we'll repeat that on the other side now. Right, that's both sides done now. I've just given it a liberal spraying of the lubricant. It is safe to use on rubber and plastic, so don't don't be shy with it. Just don't obviously get it on your disc. Right, well that's the wheel back on obviously, and if I did what I did at the start of the video, which is rock the car, you will hear that the creaking has gone. So hopefully this video helps you if you've got a creaky X4. I believe this is a common problem across many BMW models, and the solution to fix the creak is exactly the same. So if you did find it useful, please give me a thumbs up or add any comments you might have, and if you haven't already done so and you'd like to do so, click on the fat head down here to subscribe. Take care and all the best.